In this video, we show you the historic railroad tunnels that lead from Lake Mead to Hoover Dam.
Stay away from the edge, buddy.
Huge turbines.
Hoover Dam was awe-inspiring. My brothers are always looking for a reason to get their bikes into the air.
Alex has a knack for finding things that no one else can see. Can you spot the bighorn sheep here? We were all hungry after this ride and went back to our campfire. It had my mom's recipe called haystacks, which really is kind of like nachos.
The next morning, we took it easy and practiced our slingshot skills.